The Airbus A380, the world's largest passenger airliner, has been a marvel of modern aviation since its first commercial flight in 2007. For years, it has been synonymous with luxury, scale, and the technological prowess of the aerospace industry. However, as airlines shifted towards more fuel-efficient, smaller aircraft capable of long-haul flights, the A380's future seemed uncertain. In fact, Airbus announced in 2019 that it would cease production of the Super Jumbo due to dwindling orders. But in an unexpected turn of events, the Airbus A380 is making a comeback, and Airbus CEO Guilherme Faury has recently revealed exciting new features that promise to reinvigorate this iconic aircraft for the modern age. Before we start, smash the like and subscribe buttons for more updates. Guilherme Faury, who took over as CEO of Airbus in 2019, has been a pivotal figure in reshaping the company's strategy in a rapidly changing aviation landscape. Under his leadership, Airbus has focused on sustainability, innovation, and meeting the evolving needs of airlines and passengers. The decision to bring back the A380, albeit in a revamped form, is a bold move that underscores Airbus's commitment to both legacy and innovation. Faury's announcement about the new features of the returning Airbus A380 has generated significant buzz, as it signals not just the revival of a beloved aircraft, but also the introduction of cutting-edge technologies and passenger amenities that could redefine long-haul travel. One of the most notable changes to the new A380 is its enhanced fuel efficiency. The original A380 was often criticized for its high operating costs, particularly its fuel consumption, which became a significant drawback as airlines sought to minimize their environmental impact and maximize profitability. Faury has addressed these concerns by equipping the returning A380 with next-generation engines and aerodynamic improvements that reduce fuel consumption by up to 15%. These advancements are part of Airbus's broader sustainability initiative, which aims to reduce the carbon footprint of its aircraft and align with global environmental goals. The new engines, developed in collaboration with leading aerospace firms, utilize advanced materials and design principles that not only enhance fuel efficiency, but also reduce noise pollution, making the A380 a more attractive option for airlines and airports alike. In addition to its improved efficiency, the revamped A380 boasts a range of technological upgrades that cater to the modern passenger. One of the most exciting new features is the integration of state-of-the-art in-flight connectivity systems. The returning A380 will be equipped with ultra-fast Wi-Fi, providing passengers with internet speeds comparable to those they experience on the ground. This will allow for seamless streaming, video conferencing, and online gaming, even on long-haul flights. Faury emphasized that this upgrade is in response to the growing demand for connectivity among travelers, particularly business passengers who need to stay connected during flights. The enhanced Wi-Fi will be available across all classes, ensuring that every passenger can enjoy a high-quality internet experience. The cabin design of the new A380 has also been completely overhauled to enhance passenger comfort and maximize space efficiency. Faury revealed that Airbus has worked closely with leading designers and airlines to create a more spacious and luxurious cabin environment. The new layout includes wider seats, more legroom, and an improved seat pitch in economy class, addressing one of the most common complaints from passengers. In business and first class, the A380 will feature private suites with fully lie-flat beds, personal storage spaces, and customizable lighting and temperature controls. These suites are designed to provide a hotel-like experience in the sky, offering unparalleled comfort and privacy. The cabin also includes more advanced air filtration systems, ensuring a cleaner and healthier environment for passengers throughout the flight. One of the most revolutionary aspects of the returning A380 is the introduction of personalized in-flight entertainment (IFE) systems. Faury detailed how each seat will be equipped with a next-generation IFE system that uses artificial intelligence to curate content based on the passenger's preferences. This means that movies, music, and other media options will be tailored to each individual's tastes, providing a more personalized and enjoyable entertainment experience. The IFE system will also include a new feature that allows passengers to order food and drinks directly from their seat, which will then be delivered by cabin crew. This service is part of Airbus's effort to create a more seamless and convenient flight experience, reducing the need for passengers to leave their seats or wait for the traditional meal service. Moreover, the returning A380 will feature a redesigned upper deck that includes a social lounge area. Faury explained that this space is intended to give passengers a place to stretch their legs, socialize, and relax during long-haul flights. The lounge will be equipped with comfortable seating, a bar, and a selection of snacks and beverages. It will also feature large windows, allowing passengers to enjoy views of the sky or the landscape below. This addition is particularly aimed at enhancing the travel experience for those on long international flights, providing them with a space to break up the journey and interact with fellow travelers. In terms of sustainability, the A380's comeback is also marked by Airbus's commitment to reducing the aircraft's overall environmental impact. Faury highlighted several initiatives that are part of this effort, including the use of sustainable aviation fuel, SAF, and the incorporation of lightweight materials in the aircraft's construction. The use of SAF, which can reduce carbon emissions by up to 80% compared to traditional jet fuel, is a significant step forward in making the A380 a more eco-friendly option for airlines. Additionally, Airbus has implemented a comprehensive recycling program for the A380, ensuring that materials from retired aircraft are reused or repurposed, further minimizing the environmental footprint. The interior lighting of the new A380 has also seen significant enhancements. Faury discussed the introduction of an advanced LED lighting system that can mimic natural sunlight, helping to reduce the effects of jet lag for passengers on long-haul flights. This system is fully customizable and can be adjusted to create different moods throughout the flight, from a calming atmosphere during takeoff to a more vibrant setting during mealtimes. The lighting system is also energy efficient, contributing to the aircraft's overall sustainability profile. Another key feature of the returning A380 is its enhanced cargo capacity. Faury explained that the new design includes additional cargo space, making the A380 not just a passenger aircraft, but also a highly efficient freighter. This dual capability is particularly attractive in today's market, where the demand for air freight has increased significantly due to global supply chain challenges. By offering more cargo capacity, the A380 can provide airlines with a versatile solution that meets both passenger and freight needs, thereby improving the aircraft's overall profitability. The returning A380 will also feature significant advancements in safety and operational efficiency. Faury mentioned that Airbus has integrated the latest avionics and flight management systems into the new A380, providing pilots with more precise control and situational awareness. These systems include advanced autopilot functions, enhanced navigation capabilities, and real-time data monitoring, all of which contribute to safer and more efficient flight operations. The new A380 is also equipped with the latest in predictive maintenance technology, allowing airlines to monitor the condition of the aircraft in real time and address potential issues before they become critical. This not only improves safety, but also reduces downtime and maintenance costs, making the A380 more attractive to airlines. The reintroduction of the Airbus A380 also reflects a broader trend in the aviation industry toward larger aircraft capable of transporting more passengers and cargo in a single flight. As air travel continues to recover from the impacts of the COVID-19 pandemic, there is a growing demand for high-capacity aircraft that can efficiently serve major international routes. Faury pointed out that the A380, with its ability to carry up to 800 passengers in a two-class configuration, is uniquely positioned to meet this demand. The return of the A380 comes at a time when airlines are looking to optimize their fleets for both economic and environmental reasons, and the new features of the A380 make it a compelling option for carriers around the world. Faury also addressed the importance of the passenger experience in the A380's return. He emphasized that the new features are not just about technology and efficiency, but also about creating a memorable and enjoyable journey for passengers. The A380 has always been known for its spacious cabin and quiet ride, and the new enhancements take these qualities to the next level. From the personalized entertainment systems to the social lounge and improved seating, every aspect of the new A380 is designed with the passenger in mind. This focus on the passenger experience is a key part of Airbus's strategy to differentiate the A380 from other long-haul aircraft and ensure its success in a competitive market. If you liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, leave your comments below and tell us, what feature do you hope to see on the new Airbus A380? We want to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.